On the evening of 21st February 2022, a special meeting of village heads and the police department of Laitumkhrah was held to deliberate on law and order in general and the thorny issues of dealing with traffic congestion, vendors, drugs and others.
And then they spoke about some major problems like hawkers and traffic and a lack of street lights and lack of CCTV. So these are the major problems they have spoken about. So for surely we will take all these issues with major stakeholders. And this was one first of meeting. Next meeting we will have like all the students, all the colleges, all the NGOs, so that our main agenda, that is community policing, that is really like shaping now.
Speaking to Don Bosco Media Network, the officer in charge of Laitumkhrah Police Station admitted the lapses of the informers in obtaining accurate inputs, which has necessitated the holding of the meeting.
One of the major thing is that we are collection of intelligence. So I should admit, or I have to admit, that on intelligence front, yes, we are facing certain weaknesses. So that is why we will do continuous meeting with headmen, with schools, colleges, teachers, all the NGOs. So any kind of intelligence that has to be acted upon quickly. So for example, at the spot there is intelligence, oh, that there is a drug peddler frequently seen in area. So we will already be prepared. We will be with our witnesses, with our police force, and with all the action task forces. We will quickly pounce onto them. We will take all the procedural steps as per NDPS Act, and we will detain those persons. So this, based on intelligence plus swift action, I'm sure we would reduce this problem.